webinar for the bajillionth time. But it just makes it better every single time. Take things out, add things, make it faster, etc., etc. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. I'm going to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of me filming it, editing it. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so that's my main goal today. Casey has a couple different things that he's got to do as far as like client work. He's going to be doing, I think, some Upwork outreach. So that's going to be like our day, our work day. And then we're probably going to have lunch. And then we're going to go to our doctor's appointment. And then tonight, a place called Autobahn, which is like an indoor speedway. It's really fun. Casey and I go all the time. We're really good.
We're actually going racing tonight, right, Mariah?
Yeah. I told him already.
It's not going to be all about work. Work is great, but we're going to bring it to you. So, all right, guys. That's all I got.
That's why Casey's prepared with his t-shirt.
Give me off. Give me off.
Good girl. Balenci's beef recipe. Casey's cooking up some HelloFresh over there.
We're all bougie in this house. I don't know if you're supposed to take this thing off the ginger or what.
Korean beef. How do you say that? Bibimbap.
Call up Han, see if you know.
Yeah. Han, what does it say? Okay, so we got Balenci, this, the farmer's dog. It's like fresh food. Literally, like humans can eat this. And it's really healthy for them. Frenchies have really crazy stomachs. And they're very sensitive. And you want to keep her nice and healthy. So we're trying out the farmer's dog. This is our first box. And yeah, this is how it comes. Our fridge, we got all of our HelloFresh down here. We get a new one on Friday. Balenci's food is thawing out, so she's gonna start that today. We got all our juice up here. The naked green juice we got on. It's pretty good. And I'm not a big fan of juice. And then almond milk, water. This is Balenci's water because she can't have tap water. It's filtered, yeah. Like some salsa back there that we made. Salad. My grandma gave Casey these to try. Some hummus, veggies, and fruits. Yep, Reese's cups, guys. We love Reese's. We love hot stuff. This is our hot sauce shelf. The YouTubes. Oh, I got these things. I haven't tried them yet, though.
Oh God, get those out of here.
And she's so tired. She wants mommy to hold her.
Oh, she's so tired.
It's her nap time.
This is taking much longer than I thought. Cut all these damn veggies takes forever.
Let me see what it's supposed to look like.
It doesn't usually look exactly like this. I try my best.
I got this really cool keyboard. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. So I have a different setup right now. I changed my setup, my work area. Changed it up a bit. I got this monitor a couple months ago? Yeah, a couple months ago or so. And this was always off to the side. It was actually over here. And I just wasn't using it as much as I wanted to because I was just always using the laptop. And the laptop it's great and all. I didn't have too many issues with it. I just wanted to use the bigger screen. Got our iced coffees. Casey's is over there.
I'm freezing. Shut that door, girl.
Balenci, Daddy's cold. I'm working on updating, refilming the webinar, the free training. So that's what I've been doing. This is the the registration page. So I've been fixing that up a bit to match with this and vice versa.
We don't have an NDA, but she really doesn't want us to say her name because she's in Nordstrom and stuff. When I asked her about the Upwork thing, she was like, yeah. Okay, anyway. So at the end of the month, last month, our first month, it was a 5.3 ROAS.
Very first month, that's overall ROAS.
Yeah, it was it's 11,000 to make 62,000. 11,000 something to make, and it was a 5.3, which was really good. We're like, oh, well, oof, But then with the delayed results, it's up to an 8.5 ROAS, so 11,000 to make 100,000.
Dang.
So it went from, it's a three ROAS increase with just delayed results. Great. So what I was thinking is this month is a little lower. Second month is like a 4. Right now it's like a 4.2. But if we can just jump 2 ROAS, which we did last month, 3 ROAS, we get up to a 6, which is way higher than she wants. Yeah. She wants a 4, which a 4 is insane anyways.
A 4 is really good for e-com.
But anyways, yeah. So we'll see what happens with the delayed results. We're at 4.2. I'm hoping for at least a 5.5 at the end of the 28 days. So I think we could do.
This is month 2, by the way.
So the first one, 8 robots. Second one, 5. Like, yeah, it looks like it went down, but it's expected to go down. Because when you start running as heavy, like we were running as hard, first one's
Yeah, when you scale, you're gonna.
well, it's gonna be much better. I'm predicting. You can hold me on this, Mariah. 5.5 minimum after 20 days. I think I'm being 6, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. 5.5.
Round 2. So we're back in the car. I finished up the webinar. We got off a call with our mentor. We're gonna get his software for like better tracking. You probably know Alex Becker and his software, Hyros. So we got off a call for that, and now we're heading to Chick-fil-A. We're gonna get some lunch, and then we gotta go to the doctor's office. Me and Casey both have a doctor's appointment.
Gotta stay healthy.
Our doctor loves Balenci, like, he's upset if we don't bring her. So he says he's not gonna see us if we don't bring her. So we gotta bring her every single time. But yeah, that's what we're up to right now.
That's the security.
Yes. Cigar dog. She'll rip your hand right off.
We're at Autobahn. We're gonna go race. My mom's first time. You excited?
Hello. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Teamwork.
I got some.
Hey, you're on our vlog. You're gonna be on our vlog.
Yeah, don't get any vlog. Guys. Boom. So I'm in a Bentley now.
He's in a Bentley.
I'm in. Babe, how do you do this?
I don't know.
Here. Oh, hold on. Hold on, I'll show you what we're in. Check that out.
So Casey got a bit more budget. GTR, that's cheap whiskey. Look at these guys. Look at these chaps.
Hey, how's it going?
Lawrence of Arabia, baby.
We got the stars in the roof. Damn, all the Bentleys. You gonna buy one?
Oh, mate. Not yet. Still going through though.
Huh? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about one of those, man. Get one of these. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Balenci. You did that. Good girl, baby. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the life with a puppy.